So for anyone who has a peanut allergy, almonds are your best alternative. They're high in protein, they have healthy fats, and guess what? They even have magnesium, and they're loaded with fiber. So I wanted to make a fresh, healthy almond milk that you can put over your cereal, you can just drink it straight in the morning. Great nutrition, but have it fresh in the morning. That's what I like, and I thought you might too. So I wanted to show you first how to do the almonds. We have the almonds that we're gonna soak overnight, which is a half a cup, and then I'm gonna show you how to peel them so we get a creamy almond milk. Let's do that first. So we have our half a cup of soaked almonds, and then we have a spare bowl. We're gonna take them, and what you do is you just squeeze them and you separate them. Half a cup isn't very much, and it's all you need to have fresh milk, so you're just gonna do this until you get through them all. So remember how nutritious the almonds are? Once we've peeled them, we're ready to put the recipe together. Here is the peeled almonds, fresh, rinsed, and ready to begin our recipe. Our recipe here is now half a cup of our soaked skinned almonds, which we have 1/2 a cup of water, 1 cup of ice so it doesn't turn hot, and then a tablespoon of vanilla and a tablespoon of coconut nectar. So again, this is good for people who have diabetes because it's low glycemic. Let's start putting this together in our blender. There's our half cup of water. We're now going to add 1 cup of ice. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla so it has a lot of flavor. Be generous with your vanilla. And then 1 tablespoon of coconut nectar so it has just enough sweetness. Now we're going to snap the lid on. And we're going to blend it on high for 2 minutes. Here we go. Look at this beautiful creamy almond milk. So easy to start your morning with this healthy milk. We're going to go ahead and pour a cup of this. Doesn't that look delicious? And because we're going to have breakfast, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour that over our cereal. I have some nice granola here. I'm going to pour it right over my granola. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful and delicious? So we're going to taste this now, and I want to taste the drink first because I just want to taste just the almond milk. Here we go. That's an amazing, amazing drink. Your taste buds are gonna go crazy. Now let's try it with the cereal. If you like oatmeal, that's fine. I prefer the granola. Your choice what you put it over, but no matter what, enjoy this. That granola has some sea salt in it, and the sea salt blends beautifully with this. Make your choice, but I'm telling you, this is good stuff and it's fast. And all you have to do is set it up the night before, cream it, and off you go. Remember, we've got right here an intestinal health book. You can get this at your library. You can get it on Amazon, Barnes & Noble. This book right here in part 2 is full of great healthy recipes. Be sure to subscribe, and you're going to get recipes all the time to make life easy, healthy, and nutritious.